Hey there, this is Mansi. So I'm back again with a new review of the new launch by Lakme, which is 9 to 5 Primer Plus Matte Lipstick. So I'll be talking about how it wears and what is the price range of that and what are the cons and pros of the lipstick. And I also have like 4 shades, and the whole collection has 30 shades in total. And basically it's like I've seen with Lakme, they only work with pink and reds, and then out of nowhere there's a orange or there's a brown. Mostly there are variations of pink, reds, like you can get 10 tone shades of every red and pink, like you name it and you'll get it in Lakme. So let's get into the product and what it claims to be. So this like is the simple rose gold packaging. So let's talk about the packaging. So this is this pink cute packaging. Now let's see what it claims to be on the packaging. So it says Lakme's new matte lipstick comes with a built-in primer that comfortably glides onto the lips, smoothens and prep lips to lock in the color for a long-wearing matte finish. So talking about the actual product, I am wearing one on my lips and this is in the shade Rosy Sunday. If you compare this to the old version, like the 9 to 5 normal ones, so it is like much smoother than that. Also those are also nice if you compare them, but it leaves a kind of shine onto the lip. I guess it's not visible here, like it's not matte, but it's like satin, more on the satin side. But if you blot it with a powder or something or with a tissue paper, you'll get the opaque matte finish of it. And I have also seen that many people saying that the light colors which they have in the range, they have like a kind of patchy finish to them, like you have to apply it twice or thrice. And even though with the darker shades, I guess it gave me the opaque finish in just one swipe or maximum two, because I like to go on like this to get the proper color. The packaging is very nice, but sometimes I feel like it's stuck, like this. And I don't know it's with me or with everyone, whenever I get these Lakme lipstick, there's like something is shaking in between. So I don't know it's me or just everyone. So the price of these ones are 480 rupees and you can get them from Nykaa. Even I got them from Nykaa. I have not seen like how many hours it will wear on me, because this is the first time I'm applying these lipsticks since I got them. The best part about these lipsticks are they are very smooth on the lips and they are not drying at all. Like it almost feels like you are wearing a good lip balm, which is not that greasy, but it's not like you won't feel anything like but it's not like it will settle into your fine lines or something, because of the primer in it. You get the smooth application from the lipstick. So I will be swatching them on my hand and on my lips, so you can see the colors, how it looks on me. And also the whole range has like color for everyone from light to the darkest, but it's the con that they only have the shades of pink and red and maybe 1 or 2 browns or orange. Let's get into the swatches and let's see how are the colors, because it's like I'm also wearing them for the first time. to an end to this video. I hope you liked all the swatches of the lipstick and the review I gave. So if you like this video, please subscribe, share and like this video. And also do let me know your queries about anything you want to ask or want a video on. So it will be like a real nice help to me to make my content much stronger. And do let me know how is the lighting and all, because I just got my new lights to make the video much better than the last time. Till then, bye bye, take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Mwah.